Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a free SSL certificate to your website. But before that, let me tell you what SSL is and what is its significance. So SSL stands for Secured Sockets Layer. An SSL certificate is something that needs to be installed on a web server. When installed on a web server, it activates the padlock and the HTTPS protocol, and this allows a more secured connection from a web server to a browser. Typically, SSL is used to secure credit card transactions, data transfers, and logins, and are more recently becoming the norm when securing browsing of social media sites. An organization needs to install the SSL certificate onto its web server to initiate a secure session with the browser. Once a secure connection is established, all web traffic between the web server and the web browser will be secured. When a certificate is successfully installed on your server, the application protocol, which is also known as HTTP, will change to HTTPS, where the S stands for secure. One thing to note is Google gives a lot of weightage and preference to websites which are secured. So basically, you will find most of the websites ranking on the first page of Google having the HTTPS feature. Basically, websites who have installed SSL certificate on their web server, and that's why it is very important. In order to get a free SSL certificate, you need to access Cloudflare's website and create a free account. Hit the sign up option, put in your email address and your preferred password, and select create account. I already have an account, so I'm simply going to log in. On doing so, you will get a pop-up saying you currently don't have any website. You need to add a website. So simply hit the add site blue button and enter your domain over here, which in my case is digitaldumdum.com. So put in your domain name. Make sure it is as per the format mentioned above and hit the add site button. On doing this, you will be presented with a few plans. I suggest you select the free plan, which costs you $0 per month. Select the confirm plan button. It will take you to a page to review your DNS records. You don't need to do anything over here. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit the continue button. You will then be asked to change the name servers. So these are your default name servers and you need to replace these name servers with the ones mentioned over here, name server number 1 and name server number 2. And then after replacing them, we'll hit the done check name servers button at the bottom. To replace the name servers, log into the website from where you have bought the domain. Now in my case, I have bought it from Globehost, but in your case, it might be GoDaddy or HostGator or BigRock as well. Find the domain, look for the option that says change name servers or manage name servers. There you will find your existing name servers which need to be replaced. So copy the name servers mentioned in Cloudflare's website and replace the existing name server 1, copy name server number 2 and replace the name server number 2 and hit change name servers. On doing so, once all the changes are successfully saved, go back to Cloudflare's interface and click the Done Check Name Servers button. On doing that, you will reach this page where you have to select full as the option, scroll down and enable the always use HTTPS option. Scroll even further and hit the done button. Once you're through this, you will land on this page and over here on scrolling down you will get an option which says recheck now. Hit the recheck now button and it will give you a confirmation that your domain is queued up and it will ask you to check again in a few hours. So this will take a couple of hours to take effect. Usually it takes 12 to 24 hours and after that just go to your website, look for this padlock before your domain and on clicking that it should say connection is secure and the certificate is valid. That means the SSL is successfully implemented, and on clicking the domain, instead of HTTP, you should be able to see HTTPS. You will also realize that all of your HTTP URLs are automatically redirected to HTTPS.